So now we will see that how we can go ahead and update an opening balance in Transact. So for that, first of all, let's go into payments module. Once I will click on payments module, the payment dashboard will get opened in front of me. Now on your right hand side, have a look, there is an option of other actions. Simply click on that. There is an option of opening balance. I will simply go ahead and click on this. Once I will click, a proper window of opening balance will get opened up. Now you need to download the template in order to update it. So if you are doing it for buyer, you can download the template of buyer, and if you are doing it for supplier, you need to download the template for supplier. So I will simply go ahead and download the buyer template. Once I will download it, an Excel file will get opened up. So please have a look. So all the details, including the company name, will appear here. So suppose I need to go ahead and just mark some entries related to this company. So I will simply go ahead and do that. In the very top, have a look. For receivables, you need to put the positive numbers. For payable, you need to put the negative number. So let me quickly go ahead and update it. So this is the 1000, which is in positive, that is in the receivable. This is the minus 2000, that is the negative, that is payable. Remaining company, I will simply go ahead and remove them. I will put the payment date, that is 10/10/2020. For sample, I will put the same date in the document date as well. Now I will quickly go ahead and put a comment, test balance. Now I will simply go ahead and save this. Once I will save this, I need to go ahead and upload it. So for that, I will go on Transact. Here is an option to attach the file. I will click over there. So my opening balance sheet is selected. Now I will simply go ahead and click on submit file. Once I will submit file, a Excel sheet with result will get downloaded. So have a look, both of the entries are success. Now let's go ahead and quickly check that in Transact. So I will again go in the payments module. Now have a look. You may be able to see in the receivable there is an entry of 1000, and in payable there is an opening balance entry of 2000. So I hope it helped you out.